The taskbar in Windows 11 by default is centered on your screen. Those that have been using Windows 10 for quite some time are a little shocked or surprised when they first try Windows 11 that it's not in its normal place that we've gotten used to over quite a few years. I personally, since using Windows 11, am happy it's in the center, because some of the icons, when it's on the left, are hidden by my coffee cup. So now, with it in the center, I don't have that problem. But if you would prefer to have the Start menu and the taskbar on the left-hand side of your screen, that can also be done in Windows 11. Let me show you how. In order to make the changes, we have to open the settings, and the easiest way to open up the settings for the taskbar changes, let me close this window and I'll show you the easiest way to get there. Do a right click on any empty part of the taskbar and it will come up with taskbar settings. Select that and it opens up the personalization screen. Scroll down until you get to the taskbar and select it. Once you get here, scroll down until you get to taskbar behaviors. Select that. And from here, taskbar alignment. By default, it is set to center, but there's a down arrow. And from here, if you prefer to go back to what it was like in Windows 10 and 7 and before then, simply select left. And as soon as you select this, you noticed that the Start menu is right back to the left side of the screen as we've been used to it for many, many years. It's that simple. I'm going to put it back in the center because I like it there. Stay safe, be free. I hope that helps.